Clickbait. Hiya. Hi guys, I'm TreyCop11 and you got clickbaited. My unboxing video isn't out yet lol. Anyways, I have news for y'all. I haven't uploaded any videos for a while because I've been busy with school and crap. So yeah. By the way, happy April Fool's Day. Okay, here's the unboxing video.
Hey guys, Joe here, and today we're not doing a normal gaming video. We are doing an unboxing of my new microphone that I'm getting for the channel. Yeah. And I'm not alone.
Yay.
Yeah, I brought Angel RC with me. No cat.
Yay.
No cat.
I'm pretty much in everything these days.
But anyway, we're going to be opening the boxes. No kitty. Kitty? My cat wants to get in the boxes too. Okay, so we're going to be starting with this one because this is the stand, and this is the, no. This is the actual microphone, which I'm going to save for last. Stop getting in the box, cat. So those from here, and start with this one. Yeah. Alright, so I already opened them beforehand, most of them. I haven't opened the microphone one all the way. No. Cat! Kitty! Move, kitty! Kitty! There you go, kitty.
Interrupting your video, he's like, this is my microphone, not yours.
Alright.
For your cat, remember?
Yeah, my cat's trying to take the box. Alright, so this is the stand. It is a professional recording microphone series. And everything else is in Chinese.
Oh man, I want to play Legend of Zelda.
See, guys? It's Chinese. I know how this goes together, I think. I know this goes onto this, which you guys can't see. So I'll take the parts out of the box. Put the box to the kitty. Alright, so we have three parts. You have the actual stand, the holder for the stand, which, as you can see, goes on this. Just like this. And you're supposed to tighten it, but it doesn't work. Oh, you know what it does? It puts pressure on. Oh, it still doesn't work. But you tighten it's supposed to be working. And then you tape this to a surface. And then this, I suppose, goes onto the end to hold the microphone. But I'm not doing that right now. So, yeah, y'all got all that. That was really simple. We'll put it together after. This is the thing I'm here for, though. The microphone.
Oh yeah.
Pull in front of y'all so y'all can see me struggle to open this on camera. I pre-opened these before so I wouldn't have to use scissors. It's scissors!
Scissors?
Scissors! Hit. Alright, got the scissors.
Scissors to get open your packages.
The microphone. This thing was on sale and we gotta get it. Bubble wrap! Yes! Stop the bubble wrap! Yes, stab and pop the bubble wrap. Save that for later.
Have you shown your faces?
No! And they still don't see my, I don't think, nope, and they probably still don't see my face right now. Let's open the mic, oh gosh. Oh, I want to do vlogs, I might do that, I don't know. Here's the actual microphone, guys. This thing is amazing. Oh, yeah, but get it out of the bag. So stupid, I'm trying to show you a microphone while it's in the bag. Look at this, guys. I can't believe it. This thing.
I can't see it, but hopefully
He can't see it, but he'll watch the video. Look at this. Oh, of course it requires one of those. I have one of those. You see that? It requires one of those special wires. But we have the microphone. And we need the pop filter, which came with it, which doesn't seem to do much. But you put the pop filter on around the microphone, and it prevents like going pop all the time in the microphone. Okay, so we're gonna put you back in, and the shock mount. Which I'm still curious on what this does. Just kidding. I think, if I'm correct, you put the microphone on, and like when it tilts, it catches it. Oh, it does. It's actually really flexible too. Okay, so how does this attach? Is this going to attach to this? Okay, wait. It needs the shock mount. So hang on, let me see something. Move your box. So you have this. I don't know if this is going to work. It doesn't fit. Are you kidding me?
It's not equal to fit?
It doesn't fit. My shock mount's too big. Oh, it's hilarious. That's also really bad because now I need to figure out how I'm going to get it to fit later. And this is all that came with the box. So I mean, we could put the pop filter on. Pop filter. This is quite the unboxing. But there you go. And I'll wire it up later. It's like a hair tie. It feels like it's got a hair tie holding all of this.
Woo. Oh, man.
This is quite the beauty. I mean, look at her. Now I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to get it on my awesome stand. Like, I can't believe I did all this. No one's realized it doesn't work. I just realized something. This can't hold my microphone upside down, can it? It can hold my microphone upside down. It has to screw in the microphone. Huh. Okay, so it can't hold the microphone upside down. That's good to know. Uh-oh. Okay, microphone, stay on the stand. Oh, this is nice. It's a very flexible stand. So we have the actual microphone, but we have this, and it doesn't fit. So does it does it recommend what stand I should get? It's definitely good for recording music. Well, that's a good sign. But it doesn't say, like, what I used to hold it. There is a stand, though. There is a type of stand you're supposed to use for this, apparently. But what is the stand? I'm highly confused. Oh, does that work? Does this work? Does it? Is it really too big for all my equipment? It is. This is, wow, okay. Can I, does it work without the shock mount? Is the question. Because I can work it without the shock mount for a bit. It doesn't even fit on the microphone holder, guys. That, wow, okay. This is, it's all this thing's fault. This was the cheap thing. I'm going to blame it on the stand. Stan, you ruined the unboxing. You're not the right size for this awesome microphone. Not saying that I don't like it.
Wait, it's not the right size. So
this is...
I'm gonna hope it works.
Oh, the microphone works. It's the stand that doesn't work. So I'm gonna get a new. I'm gonna have to get a new stand, I think. Unless my dad has some crazy gizmo.
The equal's very bad.
The equal is very bad. It has a stainless steel pop filter. Pop. That is quite amazing. It's a very expensive microphone, I think. Well, oh, I keep taking it off the stand.
Dude, why are you saying that? Now you're persuading people not to buy it. You said it's very expensive.
Yeah, but expensive things are good, right?
I know, but the fact that it's increased in money.
You're right. No one wants to pay this much money. Well, guys, I tell you to go buy it, even though I just told you it's really expensive.
Because think of this.
Well, technically the shock stand, I could still use
You saw like a $50 million worth golden car.
This is stainless steel.
Would you buy that or not?
That doesn't look like stainless steel. That is awesome. It's like a see-through pop filter that's silver. It's probably really expensive. So I need to figure out how to get the stand to work. Maybe I have something in the garage. The garage if you're down to the end. That's right.
The garage.
Yeah.
Like how
Well,
they
it does
say
hold
very,
it. There
very
is a type of stand you're supposed to use. Let me see.
good. Very, very good.
Guys, I'll be back when I figure out what stand to use. Alright, guys. So I couldn't find anything else, but we have the awesome microphone, which is what I was really waiting for this entire time. With the stainless steel awesome pop filter. I'll have a link to the description to get this. Off of where I got it. I'll have two links, Amazon and where I got it. Where I got it was a bit cheaper than Amazon, but if you don't want to trust my sources, go ahead. The actual microphone, which, if I can get out of the thing, come out of the shock mount. There you go, guys. Alright. The microphone itself, which is amazing, and I'm going to have to get a cord for that. Pretty sick and weighty. And then, last but not least, that's right, guys. I know, I don't know why. Okay, I'm just kidding. Here it is. The shock mount, which looks really expensive. I don't know why it looks expensive, but the shock mount by itself was less than $20. But yeah. By the way, guys, do you think they should make a bundle pack? Or make the bundle pack just a little bit more expensive? Or I mean, like, just a little bit more money and add, like, this? Because this pack right here costs less than a Yeti microphone by itself. And your friend, Mr. Andrew RC over there is doing his things. He's playing Jimod. Hello?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, I just told the fans you're playing Jimod. And the crowd goes wild! Alright, guys. So you have this, you have the microphone, and you have the pop filter, which is really what you probably came for. I will figure out how to set this up, and when I do, guys, you will be able to see it. I'll have a bunch of Amazon stuff probably buy. And once I do get the stuff, I'll put those in the link in the description. But anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe for more. And I guess I'll be seeing you later. So long, everybody.
Goodbye.